Actually, for machine learning, very few universities are there.
Okay.
That too, most of the universities they are offering MS Computer Science with specialization in machine learning. In the BTech, actually, they are from aeronautical background, aeronautical engineering background. They are opting this. We have plenty of universities for the computer science program.
Let's dive straight into the topic. So I have some rapid fire round for you.
Okay.
I have some courses which are frequently searched by students for USA.
Okay.
So I'll just read out them.
Okay.
If you can name some universities, at least one university which is famous for them,
Okay.
it might be useful for them or for the viewers who are seeing it.
Sure. Thank you. We'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. So I've got my paper. So the first thing is MS in computer science.
We have plenty of universities for the computer science program, like Arizona State University, San Jose State University, California State University, Long Beach, University of Texas at Austin, Oklahoma State University, University of Oklahoma, University of Arizona. Plenty of universities
Okay.
for computer science.
Computer science, plenty of
that.
MS in data science.
State University of New York at Buffalo, University of Houston, Clear Lake, Georgia State University, San Jose State University, and Texas State University. Plenty of there for data science also.
MS in business analytics.
University of Texas at Dallas, University of Illinois at Chicago, and University of Colorado Denver, and University of North Texas.
Okay. MS in civil engineering.
Missouri University of Science and Technology, California State University Fullerton, and University of Colorado Denver, and Southern Illinois University Edwardsville.
Okay. MS in mechanical engineering.
Portland State University, California State University Fullerton, University of Colorado Denver, California State University Long Beach, California State University Los Angeles, Texas A&M University.
Okay. MS in information technology.
Arizona State University, University of New Hampshire, and Valparaiso University, and University of Arizona.
MS in artificial intelligence.
Like State University of New York at Buffalo, Kent State University, and University of North Texas, St. Louis University.
MS in project management.
Northeastern University, Illinois State University, and Missouri State University.
Okay. MS in supply chain management.
University of Houston, University of Wisconsin Stout, and University of Texas at Dallas, University of Dallas Baptist University.
Okay. MS in construction management.
California State University East Bay, and University of North Florida, University of Texas at Arlington, George Mason University.
Okay. MS in robotics.
Northeastern University, and State University of New York at Buffalo.
MS in cyber security.
State University of New York at Albany, and University of North Texas, and California State University.
Okay. MS in aerospace engineering.
Wichita State University, and Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, and
Okay.
Arizona State University.
Okay. So this aerospace engineering is currently viable to do in USA?
Yes, of course.
Because students are opting for aerospace engineering as well.
Yes. Students here in India, actually, some students they are from in the BTech, actually they are from aeronautical background, aeronautical engineering background. They are opting this.
Okay. MS in health informatics.
Indiana University, Purdue University, Indianapolis, and University of Missouri, University of North Texas, and Sacred Heart University.
MS in regulatory affairs.
Northeastern University, St. Cloud State University, and Long Island University.
So what is this regulatory affairs?
Regulatory affairs, it's related to the pharmacy students, actually.
Okay.
It's complete medical
It's a specialization for
medical devices regulation,
Oh,
and
okay.
the testing phase,
Acha.
all this.
Okay. MS in machine learning.
Stevens Institute of Technology. Actually, for machine learning, very few universities are there.
Okay.
That too, most of the universities they are offering MS Computer Science with specialization in machine learning.
Okay.
Very few universities are there for directly MS machine learning program.
Okay. MS in food technology.
University of Wisconsin Stout, Southeast Missouri State University,
MS in finance.
Arizona State University, University of Texas at Dallas, and University of California, Berkeley.
Okay. MS in accounting.
For MS in accounting in USA, now we have few universities like Rutgers University, University of Texas at Dallas, Arizona State University, and University of California, Los Angeles.
MS in architecture.
For MS in architecture, we have Ball State University, Kent State University, Illinois Institute of Technology at Chicago.
Okay. MS in biotechnology.
For MS in biotechnology, we are having Florida Institute of Technology, University of Alabama at Birmingham.
MS in clinical research.
For clinical research, we are having St. Cloud State University.
MS in pharmacy.
For MS in pharmacy in USA, Rowan University and Long Island University and University of Cincinnati.
Okay. MS in digital marketing.
For MS in digital marketing, we have Yeshiva University.
Okay. MS in pharmaceutical sciences.
For MS in pharmaceuticals, we have Wright State University and Temple University and University of Cincinnati.
Okay. MS in agriculture.
For MS in agriculture, we are having Murray State University, University of Texas Rio Grande Valley, Texas A&M University Kingsville, and Southern Illinois University Carbondale.
MS in hospitality management.
For MS in hospitality management, we have University of North Texas.
MS in pharmacology.
For MS in pharmacology, we are having Wright State University.
Okay. So you seem pretty informed. That's all. Yeah. So I understood about masters and regarding MS and MBA. So what about bachelors? What are the courses or what are the options available for persons who are opting to do bachelors in USA? And as this video is brought to you by VmapU, your trusted partner in realizing overseas dreams since 2009. With expert counseling, personalized guidance, visa assistance and more, they have helped around 1.5 lakh students achieve their international dreams. Whether it's pursuing MS in USA, MBA in UK or in any other country, contact VmapU by clicking on the link below, register yourself by entering name, email ID and phone number, and they will call you back within 24 hours to guide and turn your aspirations into reality. And VmapU also offers free SOP maker, free LOR maker and free university shortlisting tool as well. Make sure to explore these. Thank you.